That's good gator shake. Alright guys, New Year's is coming up in just days away, and you need a snack to take to your New Year's party, because who is gonna let 2020 go out without a freaking party, am I right? Anyhow, let's make a quick, easy snack. I got this idea from my buddy Kent over at Daddy Dutch Barbecue. Make sure you go check him out. So a lot like Kent, I'm gonna use something called oyster and soup crackers. And we're gonna make something I like to call firecrackers. Now that's not when you light a white guy on fire. Cracker. Fire. We're gonna take some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. Uncle Steve sent me some of this last week, and I haven't got to use it yet, and I'm super excited to try it out on these firecrackers. Make sure you check out Uncle Steve's as well. So we're gonna get started on this by melting down 2 sticks of butter. Come on. While we're getting our Green Mountain Grill's gym buoy heated up to 275 degrees, that's what we're going to be doing this whole cook on, I'm going to go ahead and place 2 sticks of unwrapped butter, unsalted butter as well, because these crackers and seasonings are going to be salty as it is. We don't want to add too much more. I'm going to put them in an old saucepan. I'm going to stick it in here and just let it start melting down. Grill's gym buoy is up to temperature 275 degrees. We've got 2 sticks of butter, unsalted, melted down in a saucepan, and then in that, as it melted down, I added 2 heaping tablespoons approximately of Uncle Steve's Shake Gator Shake. We stirred that in there, and it's sitting in the smoker right now, maybe infusing a little bit of smoke, just really kind of merging those flavors together. So, what are we going to do with it? We're going to take these soup and oyster crackers. Don't worry, it's not oyster flavored crackers. Ugh. We're going to take these and we're going to put them in a bowl, and we're going to ladle some of that flavored butter on top of it, shake it up, and throw it on these pans. Come on. So we've got our Uncle Steve's Shake butter melted down, really merged, a little smoky, and we're just going to dump it over both packages inside of this bowl. Once you've got that in there, give it a good stir. Make sure everything gets a nice coating of Uncle Steve's Shake and some of that delicious butter. I do apologize for the wind. It seems like I apologize every video for the wind. But when Oklahoma sucks as bad as Oklahoma sucks, it's windy out here when you're next to it. So I'm going to spoon out about half of it into each of these pans, and once these are filled up, I'll catch you when we're ready to throw them onto the smoker. Alright, so we've got them evenly spread out on our 2 cookie sheets. I just used some disposable cookie sheets because I didn't want to get into that old with the wife, because I used her cookie sheets and she usually hits me for that. Domestic violence is so funny when the man's getting hit. So I'm going to take these 2 disposable cookie sheets and throw them in our smoker. It is at 275 degrees. I am going to go ahead and lower that down to about 250 for about 45 minutes. I'll see you in about 45 minutes. So it's been our 45 minutes, and we did lower that down to 250 from 275. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and lower that down to 225, open it up, and we're going to throw just a little extra shake on these. Now I'm going to do a little more Gator Shake on both pans, and then I'm going to throw some of Uncle Steve's, the spicier, on to one pan and make them just a little more spicy. Let's go ahead and do a little light dust. Hot, hot. toss it. Alright. So, get this shut down. So, this is the one with Uncle Steve's Spicier and Gator Shake, and this is the one with Uncle Steve's Just Gator Shake. These are smoked up. They've taken smoke for just over an hour altogether, and man, they look absolutely awesome. That's good. Gator Shake by itself, delicious. Let's see, Gator Shake and Spicier. These things are so stinking good. Amazing snack for your New Year's Eve party. Give 2020 the boot and tell it to go. Never mind. Have fun this New Year's Eve. Make sure you drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Go check out Uncle Steve's Shake. You can check them out on Facebook, Instagram, or the interwebs at www.unclesteveshake.com. I broke that. That's all on me. That's not Uncle Steve's fault. That's all on me. Sorry, Uncle Steve. I love you guys. Drink more water. See ya. Alright, so while this thing is getting heated up to... What the fork? Hear people honking while I'm trying to make a video? Douchebag.